Right, so question 5. This will be some kind of follow-on, imagine. So we got sketch the force diagram. Sketch the shear force diagram for the problem below. So give that a go. Um, and once you've got a sketch what you think the diagram should look like, we've been given the values, directions here. Let me I'll have a go at it. Okay, so I've taken my original diagram, lined it up, and I will do a rough sketch. So we've got the x-axis here, so x divided by meters. Kind of units I want to use, well, I've got a 600, so let's probably, I can't imagine going any more above or below 600. So they call that 200, 400, 600, 200, 400, 600. So this is my y-axis, and I'll call that a Q, and I'm working in kilonewtons. So I use a different color for my line. So the first one is 200 coming downwards. So 200 comes down, moves along. Let's try and line it up from above. Moves along there. And this drops 50 every meter. So one way to do this would be to plot, right, well, so that's like at 1 meter, and that's be at 5 meters. So there's my 2 meter, there's my 1, 2, 3 meter, 4 meter, and 5 meter. So every 50 I want to drop. So these said would minus 200, minus 400, minus 600, 200, 400, 600. So when I've done 1 meter, I'm going to drop to 250. When I've done 2 meters, I'm going to drop to 300. When I've done 4 meters, I'll drop to this point here. So I want to draw a straight line to there. So I can say that's minus 200, and that would be minus 400. Right, when I hit this point here, I then need to jump up by 680. So that means I've got 680, take away 400, which means I will then want to jump up to 280. So that's about there and a little bit more. So that would be 280. Okay, and then nothing happens. Now this one's a bit weird because we've got 800 coming downwards, 250 coming upwards. So overall what we've got? We've got overall got 280 coming downwards. So 280 drops down to 0. So that's my sketch. And this is it done properly on MD Solids. Okay, so that's what we got. 1 meter, 4 meters worth, 5 meters worth. Okay. Labeled up any distances. Right, so you should have something like that for, that'll be question 5.